What's going on, everybody? I hope this finds you well. My name is Nick Carnese. I'm the founder of Stubble and Stash, and we are doing an update to the coronavirus video we released a number of weeks ago. The CDC guidance that we referenced in that video has not changed. The CDC is still recommending that the only people wearing N95s or surgical masks are those that are working with the infected or the potentially infected, or if you're sick yourself. This new guidance, it refers to cloth face coverings. So that new video the video that we released a number of weeks ago, it's gained a lot of traction, and we've received a lot of feedback over the past few days. People who were confused saying, oh, hey, in your video, you said the CDC says that we shouldn't be wearing masks, but now the CDC says that we should be wearing masks. What's going on? You're going to update the video. And N95s and other respirators, those are designed to protect you from contracting the virus, okay? The new guidance isn't about protecting you from contracting the virus by wearing a cloth face mask. Is to prevent you from infecting other people. Because we now know a lot of us are asymptomatic when we catch the virus, meaning I'm infected, I don't feel sick, but I'm still contagious. I'm still spreading the virus around. So the idea is that when we go out in public and we know that we can't maintain that safe social distance, that 6 feet, if we think we're not gonna be able to maintain 6 feet of separation from other people, wear a cloth face mask just in case that you're infected, just in case I'm infected. So I'm out and about, I have my cloth face mask on, and let's say I have to cough or I have to sneeze, or just by breathing, I'm releasing those respiratory droplets. The thought process being that this cloth is going to absorb those respiratory droplets before it can make it out into the atmosphere, okay? So to reiterate, the new CDC guidelines aren't saying that this cloth face covering will protect you from contracting the virus. It's to help protect other people from contracting the virus from you, should you be ill and not know it. Now, if you want to know how to make a cloth face mask, down below we link to the CDC webpage where they give a number of different examples and makes and models depending on what you want to make. But again, this all goes back into prevention, right? Nothing else has changed. If you have a stay-at-home order like we do here in DC, stay home. Only go out for the essentials, medication, groceries, things of that nature, get some exercise. But when you do go out in public, make sure you practice social distancing. What's that? 6 feet of separation between you and the next person. Reason why? This virus is spread through respiratory droplets. When you cough, sneeze, breathe, spit, those respiratory droplets are emitted in the atmosphere. And a good baseline is about 6 feet away. It's going to stay in that 6 foot bubble around you. So that's why they say to maintain 6 feet of separation. Now, the new guidance is wearing a cloth face mask, and that's just another step of helping to prevent you from infecting other people, thought being that this cloth will absorb any respiratory droplets or the majority of the respiratory droplets that you expel, which will reduce the likelihood of you infecting someone else even though you don't feel sick. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below, and we'll see you on the next one.